Hot runner injection mold. In today's injection molding industry, efficiency, product quality, and cost control are more important than ever, and one of the key technologies behind high-performance plastic manufacturing is the hot runner system. So, what exactly is a hot runner system? A hot runner system is an advanced injection molding technology that keeps the plastic material in a molten state inside the runner channels throughout the molding process. Unlike traditional cold runner molds, hot runner systems eliminate solidified runner waste after each cycle, helping manufacturers reduce material loss and improve production efficiency. A typical hot runner system consists of manifolds, heated nozzles, temperature controllers, and heating elements. During injection molding, molten plastic flows from the injection machine through the heated runner system and evenly fills each mold cavity. Precise temperature control ensures smooth flow and consistent product quality. Compared with traditional cold runner molds, hot runner molds offer several major advantages. First, they reduce material waste. Since there are no cold runners or excess sprues to remove and recycle, manufacturers can significantly improve material utilization. This is especially important when processing expensive engineering plastics. Second, hot runner systems increase production efficiency. By reducing cooling time and shortening molding cycles, manufacturers can achieve faster production speeds and higher output, making hot runner molds ideal for mass production. Third, they improve product quality. Accurate temperature and flow control help minimize defects such as sink marks, weld lines, warpage, and color inconsistency. The final products achieve better surface finish, tighter tolerances, and more stable dimensions. Fourth, hot runner molds support automation. Because there is little or no runner training required, they integrate more easily with robotic systems and automated production lines, helping factories improve overall manufacturing efficiency. Today, hot runner technology is widely used in automotive components, medical devices, consumer electronics, home appliances, packaging products, and many other precision plastic applications. Of course, hot runner systems also require advanced mold design and engineering expertise. Temperature balance, thermal expansion management, flow analysis, and maintenance are all critical factors for achieving stable long-term performance. As the manufacturing industry continues moving toward higher efficiency and smarter production, hot runner injection molds are becoming an essential solution for modern plastic manufacturing. With low material waste, faster production cycles, and superior product quality, hot runner technology is shaping the future of the injection molding industry. That is the true value of hot runner injection molds.